Welcome back. Now news from sports. ECOLOP, the Committee of Global Representatives for Lusofonia Games, has extended all help in technical matters for Goa Olympic Association to conduct Lusofonia Games in 2013. Secretary General of Portuguese Olympic Committee, Manuel da Silva, told Prudent that the upcoming elections will have no bearing on the designated games for 2013.
We know that the Olympic Association of Goa, they have not the financial means to develop the infrastructures they need and all the preparations for the games. They are tied to the government, local government here, obviously, and they have worked together since this time. I know that you are involved here in elections very shortly, and well, that will depend, but I'm sure, I'm confident about that there is a protocol, and the fact of the Lusophone Games, it's above the questions of elections, of questions of politics here. Sport is always above politics. We are ready to help if necessary. With our technical people, we can come here and to support them in different technical issues of the games.
Da Silva highlighted the challenge of managing the games from his experience of Lisbon Games of 2009.
Well, Lisbon is a different case of Goa, because in Lisbon we had already lots of infrastructures already made, football grounds and soccer pavilions, and so they were already ready for that. So, but anyway, the main and important thing of games like this is the administrative and logistical part of it. So it's complicated, it's not easy. We had a strong job 2 years before, because when you receive in your place, in your city or your country as you want, but here in your city, when you receive almost 2,000 athletes and coaches and managers and directors, you have all the logistic of that prepared to go easily, to go there and there and there, and the hotels, the accommodations, the transport and everything, it's a serious job. Okay. So on that point, we think we can help the Goa Association.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Par from Panji.
Dempo Sports Club are on track to defend their Pro League title after Thursday's 3-2 victory over leaders Salgaonkar Sports Club. The match played under floodlights at Fatorda was however overshadowed by ungentlemanly conduct by Dempo's in-form striker Renty Martins in particular. Renty was involved in a shocking confrontation with his own team manager Kistod Almeida. The match had all the makings of a blockbuster, considering that Dempo and Salgaonkar are traditional rivals in Goan football. Moreover, the kick-off of late evening under lights added to the fun. Both teams gave a good account of themselves, and the result of 3-2 in favour of Dempo probably left Salgaonkar feeling hard done by. Dempo are now placed second in the table, just 1 point behind Salgaonkar, who have played one game more than Dempo's. Given the importance of the match and the weight of the teams, the tempers were bound to fray. However, no one would have expected to see a seasoned player like Renty Martins, who was red-carded, charge at his own team manager Kistod Almeida at the fag end of the match. This incident must warrant a sanction to Renty, considering that he has acted in violation of gentlemanly conduct on the field of play. This is not how a professional footballer should behave, as it sets a wrong example for youngsters watching the game. There was still time for some more excitement from football, of course. Dempo goalkeeper making this tremendous effort to his team a hard-fought victory. A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.